Chris Johnson on the football field this summer, but every now and then CJ gives his fans a tweet to update the status of his contract dispute with the team. But the message he sent to his followers this morning caught many people off guard. News Channel 5 Sports' Mike Rogers is here with the latest.
It's always something, isn't it,
That's
Vicki?
for sure.
You know, when you have over 400,000 followers on your Twitter account, some of them will agree with you, some of them will disagree with you. Chris Johnson has 2 years left on his contract with the Titans, and he's scheduled to earn $800,000 this season. He's missed every single day of training camp and will miss all 4 of the team's preseason games. Now, some fans are on his side. Some fans just want him to show up and play football. Johnson's tweet was directed towards his critics on Wednesday. He tweeted, "Can these fake Titan fans shut up on my timeline? I don't have a regular job, so don't compare me to you, and I can care less if you think I'm greedy." Now, since the time of his original tweet just a few minutes ago, Johnson tweeted that he wasn't calling all Titan fans fake, just the ones that were writing racist comments on his Twitter page. Now, Vicki, this is obviously a story that is still developing. Sure. We will have more on it throughout the evening.
All right. Thanks, Mike. Well, we want to know what you think. What do you think about Chris Johnson's tweet to the Titans fans? Let us